Katrina, come here.
Hey. What do you need?
Alright, so the robot machine is broken, so I need you to go on the mines right now.
Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, what is this? Whoa, there's wires. What's in there? What is in that? Oh! Oh my god! I found outer space! We have to go report back.
Okay.
Jimmy,
Yeah?
guess what I found?
What? And why you...
I found a planet. Wait, what is in there?
Sorry about...
Okay.
why are you coming in? It's 4 in the morning and I'm working, but...
I found a
What did you say?
planet. Oh, like, it's in a solar system.
Are you sure? It was probably just...
It's all the way in mines. It's like blocked off even.
Okay, yeah, I'll do some experiments, go on top of the ice wall, I need to do, I need your help with something. How did you
Okay,
find...
I'll see you in 10 minutes, okay?
Yep.
Okay, goodbye.
How did she find it? It was blocked off perfectly. How did she get... I have to kill her. I have to kill her. I'll only let
Jimmy.
you go if you don't tell anyone.
But I have to. And why you tied me up?
No, you can't tell Tina. You can't tell
I have to tell
Jackie.
Tina. What about Rachel?
Can't tell Rachel, especially Rachel. No. So you gonna tell him?
Wow. You know I can't keep a
This is
secret.
very dangerous. This is like end of world type shit.
What's in it?
No one can know. Finally happy she's gone.
Dr. Jim, what have you done? I know about that planet. You will never find me. I will
can't go there.
expose your secret to the entire planet of Animal Colony.
It's too dangerous. Just trust me. I can't
The
tell you what's
humans
there.
were good people. Why would you lock them up in the Matrix?
I had to hide him somewhere. Just don't.
You never
don't
did. I'm telling absolutely everyone. You're done.
Go away.
Dr. Jim, you're never getting away with this.
No.